It was a discovery that would transform Alaska, but it would take half a decade, 70,000 construction workers, and $8 billion of investment capital, the most expensive privately funded construction project ever, to build the famous 48-inch silver thread that snakes its way through 800 miles of Alaskan wilderness to reach the nation's thirsty refineries. The political obstacles were just as daunting. To realize their dream, oil companies needed to address environmental concerns and resolve long-standing disputes over traditional native lands. Today, the Trans-Alaska Pipeline System, or TAPS as Alaskans call it, stands proudly as one of America's 7 engineering wonders, along with Hoover Dam and the Golden Gate Bridge. It crosses 3 massive mountain ranges, 3 active earthquake zones, vast expanses of permafrost, and scores of raging rivers. Protecting the pipes from brutal winters and warm summers posed a significant challenge as well. The solution? A zigzag pattern that allows the pipe to move sideways when it expands or contracts. When the first warm oil coursed through the pipeline, everyone held their breath. The above-ground pipe lengthened 4 feet per mile, but everything worked as planned. All this work had to be done without damaging the sensitive Arctic environment. There were no examples to draw lessons from. A pipeline to carry warm oil across the Arctic had never been built. Since oil can reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, damaging the delicate permafrost would have been easy and devastating. So 420 miles of the pipeline are elevated, with heat exchangers at the top of each pole to keep the ground perpetually frozen. Other sections are bedded deep in the earth, and some even need to be refrigerated to prevent thawing. Of course, protecting the animal species that make Alaska so special was paramount. Engineers constructed 554 animal crossings at least 10 feet high to allow caribou and other large animals to migrate. The result was an economic bonanza in Alaska such as had never been seen before. The population of Fairbanks exploded as workers moved here by the thousands to grab jobs that paid more than the state's governor was making. Since its completion, an unfathomable $250 billion of oil has traveled through the pipeline. TAPS has delivered 20% of the United States crude oil supply production since 1977. Best of all, you can visit this miracle of engineering just outside Fairbanks. As you watch, consider this. Every hour, more than $1 million of black gold flows through. This innocent-looking pipe revolutionized the state, and today it's truly the backbone of the Alaskan economy.